Hey guys, I'm about to show you how I record my voiceovers using my mobile phone. Hope you enjoy watching. First, here are some helpful tips. Tip number 1, do not hold the phone too close to your mouth or your P's and your T's will sound like you're blowing air. Hold the phone downwards a bit further from your mouth for a clear sound. You can record in your closet. This is to minimize echoes. You can record in your car. You can record covering yourself with a blanket like I'm doing right now, or you can record in a room with less echo. Once all of this is checked, let's get straight into recording. So if you're an OG on this channel, you know that I like to use CapCut for my YouTube videos. So open CapCut and open a new project. Import the video or videos you want to apply voiceover to. So once you import your videos, go down here and you will find audio. Click on audio and click on the last one, which is record. Click on the microphone icon and you can record your voice. Sometimes I like to look at my screen so I can narrate what I'm showing you guys like I'm doing right now. I edit the video first and then I'm watching my screen and doing the voiceover while it's playing. And yeah, I'm sweating under this blanket by the way, but it's worth it. So once you're done recording your voiceover, just click on the check button. One thing I like to do, this way you can just go over and correct what you want to correct, delete what you don't like, and re-record if you want, but I think I'm okay with this. So one thing I like to do is to go down here, then increase the volume of your voice to the highest. Once you do that, scroll until you find CapCut. Thankfully gives options to enhance your voice and treat it. I like to click on this reduce noise. Another tip is to make sure the audio of your main video is reduced to the minimum. I don't know why I forgot to show that, but I actually did that so that it doesn't clash with your voiceover. So once you reduce the noise on your audio, there's another option here to enhance voice by CapCut. You see why I love CapCut, you see? So you can just click on that and it will enhance your voice. So if you find that you don't have any of these tools on your CapCut app, then consider updating it. Like go to your app store and update the app. And that's it guys. Once you're done, just click on export and you export your video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.